Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Oppo is bringing back its Find series with the launch of Oppo Find X on June 19th. The Chinese smartphone has confirmed that the next smartphone in its Find series will debut in Paris. Oppo says the new Find X will be a futuristic flagship smartphone and build on the technological innovations its predecessors have brought to the range. For Oppo, the Find series has always represented the flagship segment, and the last offering came in the form of Find 7 in May 2014. The Find series has represented Oppo's technological progress and ability to combine aesthetics with features like side-sliding QWERTY keyboard, thinnest body and fast charging technology. In a press statement, Oppo says the letter X in the name stands for the unknown, adventurous and extreme. There is a possibility that Oppo will bring the 5x zoom technology it showcased at MWC 2017 to commercial device with Find X on June 19th. Oppo started its Find series with the launch of Find X 903 in June 2011. It featured a unique side-sliding keyboard design and flagship hardware. It was followed by 6.65mm thin Oppo Find 2012, which packed a stainless steel frame and Super AMOLED Plus display. Oppo then stepped up to 1080p displays with the launch of Find 5 in 2013. It received IF Product Design Award, making it a unique device in the segment. From displays, Oppo revolutionized fast charging in the form of VOOC flash charging when it launched Find 7 with support for 2 hours of phone calls with just 5 minutes of charge in 2014. Oppo Find X will have to build on the legacy of previous Find series devices, and it will have to offer a unique experience to be taken seriously, considering the new features and performance offered by the likes of Apple iPhone X, Huawei P20 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and Google Pixel 2 XL. Oppo Find X will be treading into a very competitive segment. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.